Hey everyone! Let me share an incredible journey that transformed my life, all thanks to the money wave. A few months ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, feeling hopeless and stressed. Then I came across The Money Wave by Dr. Paul Winters. This program, backed by NASA research, taps into the Theta brainwave, or as they call it, the money wave. NASA discovered that 98% of us are born with genius abilities, but our modern lifestyles suppress this money wave within us. The money wave audio quickly fixes that using proven sound wave technology. Just 7 minutes a day and things started to change. Imagine this, while others are grinding away, spending thousands on degrees, I was relaxing with my headphones on for just 7 minutes. The money started to flow. I couldn't believe how simple it was. This isn't just any audio. It was developed by top neuroscientists and psychologists to specifically target your hippocampus and activate your money wave. No more stress, no more dead ends, just pure, unfiltered success. But here's the key. To truly harness the power of the money wave, you need to take the program seriously. Listen to the audio every day, be open to changes, and most importantly, take action. Consistency is crucial to seeing real results. Making the right decisions at the right time is essential for success. And the best part? You have a 60-day guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. Just like me, thousands of people around the world are transforming their lives with the money wave. My confidence skyrocketed, my stress levels dropped, and my overall outlook on life improved dramatically. So, how do you activate your money wave? It's easy. Just click the link below this video. It takes less than 30 seconds to start your transformation. Trust me, if you're ready for a change, this is your moment. Start with the money wave and watch your life transform. Remember, the link to the official website is below. Enjoy the journey and change your life just like I changed mine. Activate your money wave now. Thanks for watching.